In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new blog site with Blogger. If you want a simple way to start blogging without dealing with complicated setup, Blogger is a great option. It's free, easy to use, and it lets you get a blog online in just a few minutes. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the full setup process from signing in to saving your new blog so you can get started smoothly. First, go to the Blogger website. Once the page opens, click Sign In. Blogger is connected to Google, so you'll need to use your Google account to continue. Enter your login details and sign into your account. If you're already signed in on your browser, you may be taken straight into Blogger automatically. After you're in, look to the top left side of the screen and click the small menu arrow. This opens the main navigation menu where you can manage blogs and settings. From the list that appears, select New Blog. This will begin the setup for your new site. Next, type a clear title for your blog. This is the name people will see when they visit your site, so choose something that matches the topic or purpose of your blog. Keep it simple, easy to read, and relevant to the content you plan to publish. Once you've entered the title, click Next to continue. Now you'll be asked to choose a web address for your blog. This will be the URL people use to visit your site, and it will end in blogspot.com. Try to pick an address that is short, memorable, and closely related to your blog title or niche. If the address you want is already taken, Blogger will let you know, so you may need to try a variation until you find one that is available. When you've chosen an available blogspot.com address, click Save to finish the setup. At that point, your new blog will be created and ready for you to start customizing and publishing content. As a quick tip, before you begin writing posts, it's a good idea to double-check your blog title and web address to make sure they represent your brand or topic well. These details help make your site easier to recognize and share. That's all it takes to create a new blog site with Blogger. Once your blog is live, you can move on to designing the layout, adjusting settings, and creating your first post. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.